Everybody good. What time is it now? It's after 1 now. And my name is Brian, and this is my lovely wife Basilia. And we are the CUFFS. So yeah. Sometimes now people have been asking us to do a YouTube channel. So we're working on it. The reason being, we start a private, even though we're public. So we are careful with how we put out and what we put out. So that is the main reason why we haven't done this before. And the second main reason is because of the kids. Yeah, we're private and public, but the kids are even more private for us. And it wasn't until, when was it? 2020? 2019? No. Mm-hmm. Christmas, 2019. We actually put them out in the public sphere. So this is us, and I guess welcome to our page. Stuff from the CUFFS, where did I come from?
So first of all, Brian has been wanting to do this for it's a while, but I have been very hesitant. Mainly because I am camera shy.
She is. Yeah. Even though people will be like, she don't really love the limelight.
I don't like the limelight, and I prefer to be heard and not seen, which is why I don't do a lot of lives either. So I prefer to be, I don't know if it's because I've been in radio for so long, but I am
you have a
very
radio
camera
voice,
shy.
Not a TV face.
No. I have a TV face, but but I'm very shy. Shy to the point that, and Brian can tell you, if we go somewhere, say we go to church or somewhere, and everybody is sitting, like in church, like at the part of the service where everybody is sitting, I prefer to wait until like a song is singing and everybody's standing before I go inside. So yeah, I am very confident, yes, but I am still a very shy person. So even though we've had this idea for a little while, I have been the one to be like, I don't want to, but I finally mustered up the courage, and this is stuff from the CUFFS.
And we didn't start with stuff from the CUFFS. We actually started out back in 2014 with just Team B Squared, just the both of us.
Oh yeah, it was just B Squared, but now we are
We're
B4.
Yeah. So one of the things we evolved to B Cubed and Team CUFF, and CUFF Links has always been a part of us. And then now being a bigger family, I don't remember where the stuff from the CUFFS idea came from. I think it was just a hashtag.
It was you.
Yeah.
You came up with it. He started, I think, when you moved back to Mandeville, or it was before that?
I don't remember.
Well, I don't know, but he came up with the hashtag.
I come up with all the hashtags. Except
For Bella said that.
Yeah.
So when Bella starts talking, you'll be hearing a lot of conversations with Bella, but it will be hashtag Bella said that. We already have one on Facebook that says conversations with Bree. Yes, Brian comes up with all the hashtags.
Raising Queens.
Yeah.
Well, that was more you. I put it into the hashtag, but that was your idea.
Okay.
Also,
Brian comes up with all the social media stuff because he is more out there in terms of social media than I am. And so funny.
No.
You are.
Explain what I mean out there.
Me and you post more than me.
I disagree.
Babe.
I disagree. Let me go on Instagram.
Let's go.
No, let me go on Instagram now.
And go on our personal pages. You post more than me. You go on lives more than me.
I go on lives because I do the poetry and that.
No. Alright.
True. I've worked in TV more than you, so I've done a lot more video.
But
in terms of posts, how many posts you have?
It was at this moment that he knew.
You've never deleted any?
No. 1,000.
All right.
How much you have?
3,667.
I have 1,482. How much you have?
3,667.
Okay.
I'm going to delete some.
We are deleted 4. It's fine.
No.
Alright, let's look at our stories.
No, it's alright. I don't have any stories up now.
Really?
Well, I have
No.
photography. Like
No matter, you still
pictures.
post.
What you have up?
I just have up the food that I cooked tonight and a happy birthday to Zuri.
Okay.
And that's it. I know you post more than me on Facebook, on Instagram. So he's more the social media.
I post more, but you troll more.
What?
Troll?
No. Scroll.
Troll.
I don't
What
troll.
mean?
Troll mean to like badmouth people and
Oh. Alright,
no, troll mean to like badmouth people.
You are on social media more than I am.
scroll more. You post more.
Okay, that's fine. I'll be the postman.
Now we just scroll the man. That's how you go.
There's no such thing as that.
Okay.
But yeah.
So yeah, and Bria has been wanting her own YouTube channel for a while. She wants to say subscribe below. That's not happening, by the way.
No, sorry, she'll feature here every now and then, but that's it.
Yeah, but in terms of her having her own channel, no. We think she's kind of too young for that. So when she gets a little older, maybe.
And the truth is, as much as we want to police her, we wouldn't be able to keep up with her. She has her phone sometimes and she's doing all these videos.
Yeah, she wants to do it 24 hours a day.
Hi guys, we're doing this video challenge. So what we do is see what we did, guys? We're making faces, eyes, smile face, and nose. So
yeah, so who are the cuffs?
Me and you, and Bella.
I have a lot more. My father, my mother, my brother, my cousins, so no.
Okay, so who are the cuffs in terms of us?
Yeah.
Who are we?
Who's Basilia?
Basilia is founder and the director of the Sterling Gospel Music Awards. Basilia is a media practitioner. I've been a radio broadcaster for many years. Basilia is a university lecturer and an academic advisor, radio emphasis coordinator. Basilia is a mom of
blush
two.
skirts that is dormant, but it's coming back.
Let me tell you, for those of you who know about blush skirts was many years ago, before we got married.
Yeah.
2012, yeah. Before we got married, it's my skirt line. But then when we had Bria, Lord knows I could not juggle everything, and so something had to give, and obviously it was not Bria. So kind of put that on the back burner, but it's coming back. Something remarkable happened the other day. Bria drew a skirt on a piece of paper. I need to find it. Bria drew a skirt and she said, "Mommy, look, I designed my own skirt." Bria does not know about blush skirts.
Wow.
And she decorated it, looked like African print. I don't know. I'm going to find it and show you guys. But not now. I don't know where to find it right now. And I was like, wow, okay then.
I guess the both of you sitting down and going to some designs and making.
Yeah.
She loved that.
Yeah, Bria is
I'm sure
just...
if you showed the sewing machine.
Oh, we've shown her, remember? And she wanted to do this and wanted that.
Well, actually see you doing something, she's going to be like,
Yeah. So that's something that we're going to...
Not really.
Well, remember you used to do deliveries for me. You used to.
That's the least.
All right, well, that's something that I'll be, doing again soon. And what else am I?
I don't know.
I'm a mom of two.
Not?
I'm a wife.
You're a chef.
I'm a chef. I am.
Because of COVID-19, she is a home designer, tiny tots, early childhood specialist. I don't even know what some of these things she's creating.
I'm a creative. Yeah, I'm a creative. So we've done a lot of art and craft for Brie. Well, with her. Well, it starts out a lot of times with her, and then she kind of just leaves me on my own to finish up. Because, her attention span is, But I am...
And she end up at the more or something. And she excited like and she had a baby. Right?
Listen, I'm gonna stop till me finish, I'm gonna stop till me finish. I am just, an all-rounded, fun-loving, love my friends, love my family,
Love souls.
Love people.
She loves people.
Love people.
Like when you say love people, she just leave there. She will not hug you up like such a name for a long time. If you come and say, Basilia, let's go, and me, I'll be like,
yes, he's like Men in Black.
Sure
Stand up one
you know who that is?
But that's me. I think hugging is a part of my ministry. No, serious. Anybody who has ever met me can say that they've probably gotten a hug from me. Most people, although I don't know you, like this is one of the things that I do. Like if I come and like two of my friends are with you and I come and hug them and hug me up and then hug up next one and you're standing there probably feeling awkward, I'll be like, you want a hug? He's not that kind of person. He'd be like,
Sure you know them?
I've had to help to you know, train his public appearance. Brian have this thing, I tell him all the time, when people see you on the road, you may not always know them, but they know you.
In a supermarket,
You
in
don't
a supermarket
have to
up
know
to today.
them.
In a supermarket up to today, I may have pushed a jolly and somebody she passed and she looked at me and I go, come here and say, what she look at me, so she watch me, so I don't know if she work with nobody or criminal or whatever. She passed and she looked at me and she passed me, Mr. Cuff? I'll be like, yes, how are you?
Like I keep telling him, fix your face.
Yeah, but
Fix your face.
you can't take too much precautions, guys.
I keep telling him, fix your face.
I'm learning. I've done well.
Yeah,
I've done
you've been doing
so
well
people
over the
come to
past
me,
year.
Mr. Cuff, and be like, hi. But I'm still cautious, so.
So I tell him, because
Spain Town I come from. Maybe that's it.
paranoid.
Spain Town.
Yeah.
We grow different.
Yeah, he's paranoid
I'm not paranoid, I just...
and very vigilant. I say
There you
that.
go. There you go.
But still sometimes paranoid. And like sometimes he will not remember people's names. I'm like, it's fine. You don't have to remember people's names. Just smile and say hi, just the same. I've had to do that with my mom as well because, you know, she...
She works.
Oh, Lord. And people know people know her by virtue of me. And especially from Facebook, and they'll see her like, Basilia's mommy, or Mrs. Barnaby, or Winsome Barnaby. And she'll like, I've had to help her in that department, and you know she's learning and they're learning. So yeah, so that wraps up about me. Who is Brian?
Brian is...
Basilia's husband.
Everybody's supposed to know that part here. I am media practitioner since 2009. That makes me feel old. Yeah, I sweat. I sweat. I have a bit of OCD. Just a bit. It comes in handy now, especially. I am a girl dad. I love my girls. I am a producer. I'm a TV producer.
/ presenter.
I'm a presenter. I'm an MC. I'm a
Oh yes,
host.
me a MC too.
Yeah.
Oh yes, me a host too.
I'm a host. I'm a TV host.
Well, I'm not a TV host.
I've worked as a radio announcer in terms of news presenter.
Hold on.
Yeah, I've done advertisements. I've done promos. I'm a voiceover talent.
Oh yeah, man.
I am a photographer. I've done some videoing. I've done some editing. I think as media practitioners, we do almost everything at some point.
Yeah.
Yeah, so media practitioners are pretty cool people. Essential services.
Well, I'm so happy that during COVID, I'm not that essential right now.
Yeah, I mean, not even just essential. We started out as journalists.
Yeah.
That was our primary,
which
primary
required
task.
a lot of our time.
Tivoli incursion.
No, thank you.
President Obama tour, Hurricane Sandy, election.
During
exciting times of my career.
What's that thing
Which
you
one?
just said?
Incursion.
During incursion, when he had to go into Tivoli,
Excitement.
he was so excited. I was traumatized.
That's why them call and say, come in.
You want him? Excited like him think I want him go.
Reporting live from Tivoli.
Like him think him a soldier going.
In.
The whole time they on Lord Jesus, we not married yet. Please don't make them shoot him and kill him. Please don't make none do him, Jesus.
I'm just concerned about the task.
Because that was before we got married.
Those are crowning moments of my career.
I know, but it was not a crowning moment for me because me fret the whole time until you come back.
Where's your faith? The Lord is able to.
Yeah, but Lord never sent you down there.
He
I love
allowed
FM send you down
He
there.
allowed me. Thank you, Love FM. Pick up on yourself.
Yeah. Yes, we met at Love FM.
Yeah.
We met at Love. We found love at Love.
And the rest they say,
is history. Yeah.
So that's pretty much us. The main thing.
I won't be made up like this all the time
No,
because I don't
all the
like.
time.
I don't. Brian can tell you, and this is one of the things that as a photographer, he has always struggled with me to get ready, put on makeup, and fix up, and I mean, I always fix up, but to put on makeup, I'm not that kind of get up girl. And what is that?
I said she don't wake up like this. She don't look so here. Don't you fool her.
Obviously, I don't look like this with all this makeup. You're too live. You're too live, man.
Yeah, but look on some videos after I sleep. I snore. Watch.
Don't tell that about me.
Watch.
But anyway.
Yeah, people just ask us. Them say, there are a lot of couples out there. There are a lot of people out there who are doing YouTube videos. There are a lot of people doing pranks and all of that. But they want us to just come on and just talk about our life, talk about us.
Well, we'll definitely not be doing pranks.
No. That's not.
I don't know. They're entertaining though. Let me tell you that, because we watch a lot of them, but that's not us.
And just when we're putting positivity, talking about myself as a father who tries to be very involved. Bas will be talking about herself as a mom who's very involved. Working together, living together, seeing each other so much.
That make it sound so.
What? And help me!
I'm just saying.
Oh.
This is how people come to me with it. Oh, you live with her, you work with her.
I don't mind.
Yeah,
I'm very happy with it.
People want to know how we do it.
I told him the other day that we were meant to work together.
Yeah, we started out together.
We started out together for 6 years.
How many years was the break? 5?
3.
Help me!
3 for me at one place and you 2 at the next place. That's what I
3.
think. You were at 3 years?
Yeah.
But yeah, so it felt like 5.
Yeah.
Living
apart. Yeah. Oh, that's for a whole nother episode.
Yeah. So
yeah, talking about
we can talk about that too.
Yeah, us having to, live apart because I work for 3 whole years. Oh my God.
I think something we can talk about too is who wears the pants in the family, because some people wonder who wears the pants in the family.
I mean who wear the pants?
Because you are a radio announcer, you are more of a media personality in front of the scenes, and I'm more behind the scenes.
Wear the pants?
Yeah, but people want to know how we deal with that.
Oh, okay. Well, we can talk about that.
People want to know who earns more and how we feel if you are earning more than me. Yeah, but anyway, that's for another episode too.
Have I earned more than you?
That's for another episode too. What else?
Maybe that's it for now.
Yeah.
What's
it like living with the two girls?
Y'all should see
around us.
Like,
this is the set right here.
Yeah.
Like TV people know this. This is the set, and everything around it is chaos. It's like this is the kids' play area.
Y'all should see, and yeah, I'll be doing a lot of videos like how-tos, and
she wants to go into the ball pit. That's what she said. She look over there, so she wants to go into the ball pit. That's where she wanted us to do the first video, in the ball pit.
There is one thing that a lot of persons have been asking me, and I'm going to do a video for the channel. It's how did I get Bria to start reading at 16 months. So I'm going to do an entire video dedicated to that. So you can look out for that. All my mommies who have been asking. But in the meantime, make sure that you like and subscribe and tell a friend.
That's where Bria gets it from.
That's
where Bria gets it from.
Yeah, Bria wants to do, like and subscribe below. Subscribe to my channel. So we'll definitely have her do that in one of the episodes. All right.
And the final thing, the first serious episode is going to be about COVID. How are we coping as a couple? What are some of the things we do together? What are some of the things we don't do together? How do we maintain our individuality in this arrangement that we have?
I'm sorry for yawning.
That's fine, guys. We're actually shooting at 2 o'clock in the morning. And we're going to close with this. The 7-second challenge. Alright? So you have 7 seconds to do whatever it is I ask, and then I have 7 seconds to do whatever you ask. 7 seconds, yeah.
Or to list, or to...
7 seconds to do whatever I ask.
Alright, you go first.
Alright, here we go. Tell me 3 of my favorite shows, and go.
TV shows or movies? No, baby, you have to be more specific.
Eric, your turn.
Babe, no.
Your turn.
You have to be more specific.
7 seconds, 3 of my shows, it doesn't really matter.
No, you have TV shows
This
and
is
they have
buying time.
movies.
This is buying
no,
time.
I'm not buying
Alright.
time.
Alright, let's go again.
Yeah, be
3
more
of my
specific.
favorite movies, go.
V for Vendetta.
7.
Hold on now. No, what about
Your time up.
the one in the bank?
Your time up, yeah.
That's what I was trying. We can't do
Your
that
time
in
up.
6-7 seconds.
Your turn,
V
ask
for-
me.
Alright. Huh?
Go ahead, I got this.
Name 3 schools I went to.
Washington Primary School, Glenmere High School, NCU. Yeah.
Alright,
Ready,
your
Annie?
turn.
Name 3 schools I went to.
San Diego High, Carmack, and Gem Glow.
Right, that was good. You got that one.
Okay. Alright. My turn? Alright. Name. We're sticking to 3?
No, it's just 7 seconds to do whatever you ask.
Okay.
Just harder if it's more.
Okay, I'll stick to 3. If that. Name 3 things I love to drink.
You know, tell me when to begin. It's the time begin now.
No, but you just buy time. No, no. You just think about it. No.
Malta.
No.
Coffee.
No, you just got some time to buy.
I don't need time for that.
Zip.
That's the next question. I don't need time. I got this. I know you.
Nope.
Name 3 reality series that I've watched in the past
No.
year.
No. In the past year, don't do that.
Hear me, man.
Don't
You
do
got
that.
this.
Don't do that.
You
In the
got
past
this.
year, no.
Name 3 reality
Of your
series.
favorite, yeah, something like that.
Name 3.
All time.
Name 3 reality series that I've watched.
The new one, I'm gonna know the name of it. I still don't watch every night. When I want the name, the Housewives girl them. And
Nah.
but I don't know.
Desperate Housewives.
Desperate
It's
Housewives.
not
It's
a
a reality
reality.
series. They can't tell me
It's
that it's a
not.
reality series.
It's not reality.
A reality series that man, but I mix up and blend.
Your turn.
What's the score? I gone 2. You know, gone.
I gone 1 and name your
One.
schools. Go.
First to 5 wins.
Okay. You owe me $20 for saying
This is not
my
school.
students know
This
this.
is not school. Name
2 hours later.
3 things I love to do with Bria.
Feed the puppy, play, and take picture. You said 3.
But when I tell you, I agree with you.
Okay, how can you disagree with any of those?
Play the puppy, that's like.
I said feed the puppy.
Feed puppies like 2 days ago. 'Cause we have the puppy for 2
It don't matter,
days.
but you enjoy. No,
No.
babe. Babe, you enjoy doing it.
Oh, no.
Don't you?
That don't
I'm
count.
gone too. Your turn. My turn. It count.
Oh, hell no.
It don't matter. You enjoy.
The
You
puppy
look
just
forward. It don't matter.
Ah,
It don't matter. I gone too. You got to. Name 3 of my cousins.
Sherry, Elton, and Danny. Danny. Troy and Danny. Me your cousin.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, good.
Right. Your turn and watch me.
Jesus. No.
Name 3 of my male cousins. Go.
Richie, TC.
No, that's not true.
What?
Go on.
So yeah, stop me.
Go.
Richie, TC, and Jamie.
Yes, Jamie. Jamie, I learned you that thing about first, you know.
I was gonna say Jamie first, but I'm say
Richie
alright.
and TC, never think that thing about them.
I mean-
I don't know, you might just think about the parent side.
No man, think about everybody.
Alright, 3-3.
In family, I say family large. Spread out.
3-3.
Won't stop. Like
Guys, yeah, one time we had, when I was much younger, after mommy did surgery, we had a Thanksgiving service at church. and they asked for. We invited a lot of family members, and they asked for our family to come to the front.
Then you want church.
Like about 6 hours we got the front first, like the immediate family. And said, no man, we heard that there are a lot of family. Come up. They have to move back in front bench then.
Listen, my family is small, even with my cousins that were still small. And when was it? When Granddad died? And all the family came?
Nope, that wasn't all the family.
Guys, I was traumatized at the amount of people.
Family big man.
Traumatized. Proper. Alright, my turn. Name 3 of my... No, I'm not do that.
Keep it PG. Oh, that's so rude.
No. Seriously, babe? No.
Oh my God!
No, I wasn't gonna do that. Alright, I'll do
No.
this. No.
Okay.
No, it's the same thing I'm gonna ask you.
Okay.
Name 3 of my...
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
3 of my aunts. Aunts.
Oh, Auntie Bev, Auntie Angie, and Auntie Angela.
Bruh.
Angela is here. Angela is here, bro.
I see it, bro.
Yeah, Bev, Angie, and you remember that one name?
He needs some milk.
Auntie Del.
Del, that me I look for. Sorry, Auntie Del. Name 3 of my pet peeves.
Dirt. He doesn't like when I... What, babe? Yeah, confuse me with the counting.
Time.
Babe.
Alright, now I can count number mine. Ready,
right.
go.
So I should answer the same question?
Yeah.
Alright, he doesn't like when I leave the tea bag in a cup. He doesn't like when I leave empty anything.
Time. Watch this. She just drink a cup of tea. I want to make sure they can see it, you know. Tea bag, wait there. Can see good. Tea bag in there.
But you don't reach on the kitchen yet?
Run.
Pet peeve, I should still do it. We need to talk about that in a topic. How do we deal with pet peeves? But alright.
You just ignore
that's
it,
4
so
for
that
me.
you must do.
Let's go.
You never win.
Oh, you mean Auntie Angie, Auntie Dilla, what? You never
got that?
You never say me never get it.
Babe, how can you say Angie and Angela?
Adele. Come, 4-4. Last
It's
one.
3-3. No, it's 4-4.
Last one.
Last one. Alright. Name.
Strict panic time. No, my turn.
No. You just asked for
peeve,
pet peeves. Alright.
Name 3 of my bridging them who are more like brothers. And go.
Mike Spee, Elroy, and Worldwide.
Who name Worldwide?
Really?
Nobody don't know nobody name Worldwide. Nobody don't know nobody. Worldwide, I don't know who name. So who name?
You don't know name
Tell the
Worldwide?
people who name Worldwide. www.worldwideweb. Yo, Jerome have nickname. Let me tell you about nickname Jerome have. Jerome.
I can't keep up.
Jerry, Kujamula, Worldwide. Why were you saying one? Remember you said one. But yeah, because
His name is Jerome.
Alright.
I get it right?
So we'll call it.
I get it right?
We will call it.
No, I'm a win.
Oh, you have a win.
So you never get the one a while ago.
Alright, well, you're wrong. You don't know
So
nobody
5.
name Worldwide.
Jerome.
Wrong. Nope, you didn't say Jerome. Time was up. Tire 4-4.
Okay, man.
See, if you don't get 5, you don't get 5. Alright, guys, that's it for today. Big up on yourself.
Remember to like, subscribe,
I'll never see this.
and we'll have another video for you soon. This has been Stuff from the CUFFS. Later. See you now, turn off camera.
Oh, I didn't know say that name, Erica.
My name's Brie. And when you see me, this is what you see. I am the cuff, and I'm also the key.